Oh, dude, it's recording. Oh, hey. No, I don't know. You can check if I have the worms. It should be in that bag. We walked up that river for 20% battery for about 2 hours, and now we're at the Coal Creek waterfall, we think, and it's right there. I don't think it's it. I think he's freaking insane. What? I shouldn't have the goddamn worms. You should have the worms. And yeah, now we're here and sort of fishing. Not really. So yeah. Peanut butter cookies are the best. Oh yeah. It's my dog Fergus. Hey. And yeah, that's Devil's Club. If you jump into one, it's spiky as hell and it sucks. And yeah, so I'm just gonna spin around in circles with the camera. We've never been up the river this far, literally, and yeah, so now we're just sitting here. My feet are numb and Andy's, I don't know what he's doing, looking for the worms. Hey! Swearing isn't... What? Don't swear! It's not okay! Yeah! Hey, you have to put all that shit back. Dad'll freak out at me.
These are my lures. Down inside of rolled box.
So, how's it going? I'm gonna eat another cookie.
Don't do that.
Hey, there's a bird! It sounds like it's getting raped or some crap. So, I haven't made a YouTube video in a while. This is my new YouTube video, you know? I'm gonna stop filming now. You should eat some peanut butter cookies. They're friggin' amazing. Bye.